Hiya guys, TruePreView here. Today I'm reviewing the RAVPower NP-FW50 replacement batteries and charging station, currently sold on Amazon for £33.99. These replacement batteries are compatible with most Sony NEX cameras including the A7 and A7 Mark II series. These are an affordable alternative to genuine Sony batteries, but how do they compare? A single genuine Sony battery will set you back around £50 and boasts the following specification. In comparison, two RAVPower batteries and charging station will set you back a total of £34 or £17 each. The RAVPower batteries have a slightly different specification to the genuine Sony batteries as shown. The look and feel of the batteries is very similar and it is hard to tell them apart without close inspection. I was curious to see how the two batteries compared, so I performed a simple test. The test is based on 30 minutes of continuous HD video recording. The percentage charge after this time will help estimate the total battery life. First up, the genuine Sony battery. As shown, the percentage charge was recorded at 10-minute intervals. After 10 minutes, the Sony battery was running on 95%. After 20 minutes, the Sony battery was running on 84%. And after approximately 30 minutes, the genuine Sony battery was running on 73%. This was then compared to the RAVPower battery. After 10 minutes, the RAVPower battery was running on 95%. After 20 minutes, the RAVPower battery was running on 83%. And after approximately 30 minutes, the RAVPower battery was running on 72%. A summary of the results is shown for a direct comparison. While the RAVPower battery does have a slightly lower estimated battery life, the difference is negligible. It must also be noted that there was little difference in the time required to charge the batteries. I believe that, for the price, the RAVPower batteries are an obvious choice for anyone looking to buy some spare or replacement batteries for their camera system. Thank you for taking the time to watch my review. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more reviews of the latest technology. Have a great day.